To create a volcano, start with a small container as the volcano's core and mold clay around it. Mix half a cup of baking soda with a few drops of dish soap inside the container. Add red food coloring to the mixture for a realistic lava effect. When ready, pour half a cup of vinegar into the container and watch the bubbly eruption. This experiment demonstrates how an acid-base reaction produces carbon dioxide gas, similar to volcanic eruptions, making it an exciting and safe way to learn chemistry. Always perform in a well-ventilated area and clean up immediately to prevent any mess.